Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when we upload a new video.
In today's video, I will be showing you how to enable or disable Focus Assist in Windows 10. To do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom right hand corner of your screen and right click on the Action Centre icon here. You now need to hover over Focus Assist, and here you can select what you want to do. So to disable it, you would just click on off, but if you want to enable it, you can choose priority only or alarms only. The other thing you can do is click on the Action Centre icon here, and you'll see a tile on the bottom right here, and if you just click on it, you can cycle through the options again. So if I click on it, it's now saying off. Click on it again, it's now saying on, but priority only. Now alarms only. And again, I can turn it back off. But that's it for this tutorial. That's how easy it is to enable or disable Focus Assist. I hope this tutorial did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe.